everyone. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Atira Darusha binti Sharuddin and my metric number is H22A0558. There is two parts for this individual assignment, which is for part 1, there is about explanation about what is leadership and everything about leadership. For the part 2 is a video conversation between a leader and an employee. I will explain about definition of leader and leadership. Leader is a person that holds a dominant or superior position within his or her field and is able to exercise a high degree of control or influence over others. For leadership can be defined as a process by which one individual influences others toward the attainment of group or organization goals. For the early theories of leadership, there has two types of theory, which is trait theories and also behavioral theories. Next, trait theory. Trait theories assume that leaders inherit certain qualities and traits that make them better suited to leadership. 8. Core trait for the leadership, which is charisma, creativity and flexibility, emotional maturity, knowledge business, achievement drive, leadership motivation, honesty and integrity, self-confidence and also cognitive ability. The other theories for this topic is behavioral theories. There is 3 studies underpin behavior theories, which is the Ohio State Studies, the University of Michigan Studies, and also the managerial grid. Firstly, for the Ohio State Studies, Ohio State University identified 2 distinct leader behavior, which are consideration and initiating structure. For the consideration, leaders find the time to listen, concern follower personal welfare, friendly and approachable. For the initiating structure, leaders set a perform standard, assign tasks, giving orders and direction, and highly emphasize on deadlines. Secondly is the University of Michigan Studies. The studies result into general leadership behavior or orientation, employee orientation, and production orientation. For the employee orientation, leaders should concern for interpersonal relation, high performance goal, and display supportive behavior towards subordinates. For the production orientation, leaders focus on tasks or technical aspect of the job, favor meeting schedule, keep costs low, and achieve production efficiency. Lastly is the managerial grid. The managerial grid is based on 2 behavioral dimensions, which is concern for people and concern for production. For the concern for people, this is the degree to which our leader considers the need of team members, their interests, and area of personal development when deciding how best to accomplish a task. For the concern for production, this is the degree to which a leader emphasizes concrete objective, organizational efficiency, and high productivity when deciding how best to accomplish a task. There is 4 leadership style, which is directive, supportive, participative, and also achievement-oriented. Firstly, for directive, the leader provides guidelines, let subordinates know what is expected of them, set performance standards for them, and control behavior when performance standards are not met. He makes sensible use of reward and disciplinary action. And lastly, the style is the same as task-oriented leadership. Next, for supportive, the leader is friendly towards subordinates and display personal concern for their needs, welfare, and well-being. And this style is the same as people-oriented leadership. The third one is participative, which is the leader believes in group decision-making and share information with subordinates. Next, he consults with subordinates on important decisions related to work, task goal, and paid to resolve goal. Lastly is achievement-oriented, which is the leader set challenging goals and encourage employees to reach their peak performance. And then leader believes that employees are responsible enough to accomplish challenging goals. Lastly is creating effective leader. The following principles are ways to create an effective leader, which is firstly, develop successes from failures. which is training followers to be better is easier than starting all over with someone new. Great leaders inspire individuals who are performing poorly to do better. For the second one is challenge followers daily to achieve more, which is inspire followers to stretch their abilities and achieve results beyond their current capabilities. Set incentive and also a bonus. Third one is lead followers by example. Leading them instead of pushing them is the characteristic of an effective leader. Next is create fun and enjoyable but extremely serious workplace. Lastly, a great leader would have a reputation as a person with a high integrity. So here is part 2, which is conversation between the leader and employee. There is two characters in this video, which is leader and employee. Me as the leader and my friend as an employee.
Good morning, Arali. Thank you for meeting with me today. I have an important initiative that I have decided to share with you, and I have value your input.
Good morning. I'm glad to be here and eager to learn more about the initiative.
I've been exploring ways to enrich our product development process and have decided to adopt an agile methodology across the entire department. I believe it will significantly improve our efficiency and product quality.
Significant shift. How do you see this impacting our current workflow and project?
The agile methodology will allow us to break down projects into smaller, manageable tasks, enabling more frequent and focused project review. This will help us quickly identify and address any issues, ensuring high quality output and faster delivery time.
That makes sense. What kind of training or support will be provided to help us transition to this new methodology?
I will be conducting comprehensive training sessions on agile principles and practice for all team members. Additionally, I have bring in agile coach to guide us through the initial phase that ensuring we are applying the methodology correctly. Ongoing support will be available to address any question or challenge that arise.
That sounds true. What are the specific goals we aim to achieve with this transition? How will success be measured?
Our primary goals are to reduce project timelines, increase collaboration and innovation within team, and improve overall product quality. Success will be measured by tracking key metrics such as project completion rate, satisfaction score, and customer feedback on product quality and delivery time.
Those are clear and measurable goals. What is the timeline for implementing this agile methodology, and how is it rolled out across the department?
Plan to start with a pilot program in the next month, focusing on 1 or 2 key projects. Based on the result and feedback from the pilot, we will refine our approach and gradually roll out the methodology to the rest of the department over the next 6 months.
Understood. How can I contribute to the successful implementation of this agile methodology?
When you strong track record in project management and your ability to lead by example, we have liked you to be a part of the pilot program. Your role will involve helping to implement agile practice within your team and providing feedback on the process.
I appreciate the opportunity and the trust you are placing in me. I'm excited to be part of the pilot program and to help drive this important initiative.
Thank you for your willingness to take on this role. Your leadership and insight will be crucial to the success of this transition.
Thank you. I look forward to working with the team to make this a success.
Great. I will set up a meeting next week to discuss the specific detail of the pilot program and the next step.
Sounds good. I will prepare for our meeting and look forward to getting started.
So here the end of my individual assignment, and I hope you enjoy my video.